In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create group in Appy Marketplace. We're going to set up a user group inside your Appy Marketplace so you can organize people, control access, and keep your store app tidy and secure. Groups are especially helpful if you manage multiple roles, like managers, staff, or testers, and want consistent permissions across your app. Start by opening your browser and signing in to your Appy account. Once you're in, head to the Builder area. This is your workspace for managing apps and settings. Look for the Manage option. You'll typically find it in the main navigation. Click it to view your available apps. Next, select your store app. If you have several, pick the one where you want to create the group. After the app opens, choose Manage App to enter the business dashboard for that specific app. This is where you'll do most of your configuration work. On the left-hand side, you'll see the main navigation panel. Find and click Users. This section holds everything related to people, individual users, roles, and of course, groups. In that same left side panel, choose Groups to open the group management area. Now click Add Group. A form will appear to set up the new group. Start by typing a clear, descriptive group name. Use a naming convention that will make sense later, something like Store Managers, Support Team, or Beta Testers. Good names make it easier for teammates to understand who belongs where. Next, select the store associated with this group. If your account is tied to multiple stores or locations, make sure you pick the correct one to avoid confusion. This ensures the group's permissions and visibility are applied exactly where you need them. Then choose the status for the group. Set it to active if the group should be usable right away. If you're preparing a structure you'll enable later, choose inactive for now. You can always switch this setting when you're ready. When everything looks correct, group name, store, and status, click Save. You should see your new group appear in the list. That's it. The group is created. From here, you can return to this area anytime to review, rename, activate or deactivate, and, when appropriate, manage which users belong to the group to keep access aligned with your policies. A few quick tips before we wrap up. Keep names short and consistent. Double-check the selected store to avoid cross-app mix-ups, and review group status before launch to prevent unintended access. With that, you've successfully created a group in Appy Marketplace.